In this video, I'm going to teach you how to attach PDF to MailerLite email. In order to do that, first head over to MailerLite.com and proceed to click on this Sign Up Free option in order to create an account. If you already have one, you can proceed to just click on this Login and then log into your account. I already have mine, so let me head over and just log in. Now here is my MailerLite dashboard. So what we can do is we need to actually access our MailerLite's file manager. You can access it by going over it here to your left sidebar, scrolling down, and here it is. Just head over and click on this, and from in there, we need to actually upload our PDF right here. So onto this case, head over and click on upload. You can import from URL, your device, Google Drive, or as well as other providers. For this case, let me upload in here from my device. Let's click on this upload and it will locate. So let's choose right here this and click on open. Now this will actually upload the actual PDF right here. So just wait for this to complete with the actual uploading process. Once it's been right here, next thing you need to do is to actually head over and link it to your email. Open your campaign. Let's head over right here to your campaign. If you don't have an existing email yet, proceed to click on this create and choose right here what kind of email you want. Let's choose in here a regular campaign. Input right here the campaign name as well as some details you would wish to use. Click on this next or content option. You can choose from select libraries for the templates that you wish to use. For example, let's choose in here this interior design and click on choose. So we have in here this. So what you can do is you can choose in here an email or a button that you want to actually link to your PDF. I'll just right here this button and click on this link option. Now on this option right here, what we can do is we can head over and then insert right here a file. So you can also have the option to actually add some more things right here. Enter in here the URL of the file that we have earlier into our upload option, and once you're done, you can click on this done editing and save this everything. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.